I want to talk about this question number 6 on homework 2. An investment will pay you $65,000 in 10 years. If the appropriate discount rate is 7% compounded daily, what is the present value? So notice here the compounding period is daily. So we need to convert every number into the daily numbers, including this discount rate. The future value of the investment is this, the number of years is 10, discount rate this, times compounded per year is 365. So basically we need to complete the following analysis. Do not hard code values in your calculations. Your answer should be positive. So here we just need to put PV and open it. The first argument is the interest rate. But as we said, here the interest rate needs to be in daily format. So basically need to divide this. By default, every interest rate is coded annually. So we need to divide this by the number of days within a year. And the second argument is the number of compounding period, right? So in this case, it's going to be 10 multiplied by the number of days within each year. And the third argument is payment. This refers to an annuity payment. But in this question, we don't have any annuity. So we just put that as 0. And finally, the future value. And remember the rule for Excel is that we want to get a positive present value. So we need to have a negative sign in front of the future value. So the future value is simply 65,000. But notice here, I followed this requirement, do not hard code values in your calculations. I used all the cell reference rather than directly coding the numbers. So once I close this, you see I got the correct answer for this question. Okay, so that's basically how this question can be solved.